she's tore apart today. Got the radiator. We're gonna move that up about 5 inches. It's gonna let a lot more airflow to the intercooler. We're gonna put a little RTL bar, get rid of that aluminum panel. We're gonna put a heat shield between the turbos and the gas tank, just to be nice and safe. We're finishing up installing the Super ATV steering. What else we got going on? We got the Tatum UTV radius rods on. We've got the alternator installed. We have the shocks off to be rebuilt on the front. We're gonna add a front sway bar, a stock one, I believe. There's this Super ATV easy steer system. It's got to make a little bracket for the mount. Finish the wiring. Maybe a new dash if we have time this round. It's got a bunch of holes in it from all the old stuff. That's about it. I gotta fix the fuel sending unit on this side. I never got it working last time. Big cleanup there. Got the Summer Brothers sway bar reel installed. This thing's beefy. That's about it. That's Can-Am update. Next race is June 19th. So prep's well underway. Some cool cars in here.